Hi there, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am up here at our Whistler Quay renovation in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. We have our preferred window partner, Euroline Windows, here on site, installing their 4700 series triple paned passive house windows. So let's go on inside and see the progress to date. So you may remember this project from earlier in the summer when the boys were taking out a massive masonry chimney. That created a lot more space down below for a new mudroom, increased the size of the living room, and helped bring a lot more light from the skylights down into the stairwell and the living room. So let's go on inside and see the progress to date. We have one of the new windows. You can look at the sticker on the bottom here. It gives you all the cool performance statistics. Yeah, exciting to see these passive house rated windows going into this older Whistler home to significantly improve the thermal comfort. Certainly when you look at these big window units here in the wintertime, anybody close to the window should feel warm and cozy, as opposed to the old aluminum frame windows that were in here before that would have actually felt very, very drafty. So looking forward to this impressive performance upgrade. So one of the additional enhancements to this project is, of course, we're replacing the old electric baseboard heating system with a modern forced air system. This will also give us air conditioning and will give us heat recovery ventilation. So not only do we get a balanced ventilation system, but we also get energy recovery as that stale air exhausts out of the house. And right now I am standing in the addition at the back that will add some office space and an additional bedroom. So some exciting changes to this older Whistler home here. So stay tuned, and we'll bring some further updates as we move a little bit closer to drywall. We've got a large steel beam that needs to go in and replace this existing framed wall, which helps significantly in-size the kitchen. Sorry for the background noise, and yeah, if you like what you see, please follow along or subscribe to the channels. Thanks for watching.